Question 2. Which type of stereoisomerism is or are shown by 2,4-dimethyl X2-ene? Well, the structure of 2,4-dimethyl X2-ene is the structure here. Well, first of all, X2-ene is 6-carbon chain, and on the second carbon is the double bond, because "ene" means double bond, and it's on the second carbon. So these are the X2-ene carbon chain, and we've got on the second carbon we have methyl group on the second carbon, so that's a methyl group here, and on the fourth carbon we have another methyl group. And the question is asking, does this show stereoisomerism, or which type of stereoisomerism? With the stereoisomerism, you've got the enantiomer, and enantiomer is optical isomerism, or you have the geometrical isomerism. So geometrical isomerism is the EZ isomerism or cis-trans isomerism. So there are two types of stereoisomerism. You got the enantiomer and geometrical isomerism. The enantiomer itself is what we call the optical isomerism, and the geometrical isomerisms are also split into two, which are the cis and trans and EZ. Okay, now can we get a optical isomerism here? Yes, actually we can, because if you look at this carbon here, this carbon will be chiral center carbon, because you've got a methyl group, hydrogen group, ethyl group, and you got this massive group here. So there are 4 different compound. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will show the optical isomerism, which is what we call enantiomer. And so B is right. EZ isomerism. Well, for EZ, you need a double bond, and you need to have 4 different compounds attached to the carbon of the double bond. But these ones are the same, and that cannot work. For that carbon, you should have different compound. Because they're the same, you cannot form the geometrical isomerism, because they need to be different, and that compound has to be different. So these are different, all right, for that carbon, but for that carbon they're not different. They should be different, not the same. If they're the same, you cannot form geometrical isomerism, which means you cannot form cis and trans or EZ isomerism. So therefore, it's going to be B only, and so the answer is B. So we put B in the box.